Welcome everybody, it's Erin and Jeremy. Today we're going to be doing a flip cut pour paint on a 68 by 16 canvas with 3-inch sides. We'll be filling 5 cups completely up to be able to cover everything on the canvas. We'll be using lots of paints today, so there's going to be a lot of colors going on. We will be using our coconut milk to create the cells. We have our torch ready to help the cells pop, and of course our spatula to help the paint along the sides of the canvas. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're just going to start mixing cups here. Alright, so I've got 3 of the cups already filled. Remember, we always use 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol, a little bit of alcohol and water to consistency in all of our paints. So now I'm going to let Jeremy come and he's going to fill the other 2 cups. All right, so we've got all 5 cups filled now, so we're going to start flipping them. The 3 in the middle are the 3 that I did, and these 2 are Jeremy's. So I'm going to start with this one down here. And again, you want to try to flip it as quickly as possible and try to keep as much as you can in there because they are full. It will splatter quite a bit here. Now I'm going to flip the next one. This is one of Jeremy's. Do this one in the middle, which is again mine. And another one of Jeremy's.
Beautiful.
And the last one down here, which was another one of mine. Alright, so now I'm going to start pulling the same way that I flipped them. So we're going to lift this one first. And this one. Alright, now I'm going to take the torch, just light it and see if we can get any more cells to pop. Alright, because it's such a big canvas, it is going to take both of us to stretch this one.
Let's go on that way first.
y'all, so this is our finished product on the 68 by 16 canvas that we have done. We are pleased with the way that it came out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for any other acrylic pour paints or projects that we do along the way. Thanks for watching. Bye.